have this one to the powder. Yeah. I'm gonna put twist here and the other side. Later, I'm gonna put the comfort. Yes. I'm using this comfort, guys. Ayan. Meron akong ano ha. Ito na ang ads ko. Private. And this is my comfort that I'm using. This is the comfort that I'm using. Yes. I love the smell. I really love it. It's so nice. So, let's start. I'm going to put inside. On the top, water on it. Connected. And let's start. Yeah. Start already. And I'm going to put on the 15 and I will put it again later when it's finished. So as you can see, the light is on. Yeah, the light is on. And I'm going to press so it will start. Yes, you can hear the tick. So it's starting already. West Point. That's our washing machine, West Point. Yeah, nag-start na siya. Yeah. Nag-start na siya, guys. You see? Have a look. Started already to spin. Yes. So, I love this washing machine. So, my dream will come true if we have a water connection in our house. Yes. So, that dream, let's set aside and I'm gonna do it later when we have a water connection in the house. So, I'm going to start my task before my PA will be bored waiting for me. This man is always boring. He wants that I'm going to help him always. He doesn't want to work alone. Put outside, don't put inside. Yeah. So, I'm going to wear now my gloves. Now, wait guys, because I'm going to put first these things here because it's dry already. So before you put this a tip, you need to dry first this with a clean cloth. Yeah. With a clean cloth and you tidy. Yes. There is makeup. They are separate. No, I think so. The rain will come. It's all organized my things. Here is for the glasses and